is a quick overview on how to solder. First, make sure that you have safety goggles on and turn on the fume extractor. Then turn on the soldering iron and let it heat up. A good temperature is around 300 to 330 degrees, although this is pretty flexible. Optionally, you can start by wetting the soldering iron with a tiny amount of solder, as this will help speed up the process. Hold the soldering tip on the hole and let it heat up. Then, feed solder onto the other side of the pad. It should melt and flow around the hole. Make sure that the solder has bonded well with both the wire and the hole. If not, add just a bit more solder. Then, remove the heat. A good solder joint should be both smooth and shiny. In contrast, this is what happens if you don't follow this process. Here we have applied solder to the iron first, and then put it onto the soldering pad. The result is an example of a very bad soldering joint. It is not well bonded, and not as smooth nor shiny, so make sure to feed the majority of solder directly into the joint. Have fun and happy soldering!